Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to configure the FoxyProxy extension in Firefox for Burp Suite on Windows. And yes, the same steps work on Linux too. First, open Firefox and click the extensions icon. In the search bar, type Foxy. You'll see several results. Select FoxyProxy Standard. Click it. Then click Add to Firefox and confirm by clicking Add. If you want to pin the extension to the toolbar, check the Pin option and click OK. After installation, let's configure FoxyProxy. Click the FoxyProxy icon, then choose Options. Select Proxies, then click Add. In this window, give the proxy a title. Name it whatever you like. I'll call mine Burp. For hostname, type 127.0.0.1. For port, type 8080 or any port you prefer. Click Save. Now let's enable the proxy in Burp Suite. Launch Burp Suite. Go to Burp, arrow Settings, and open Proxy. Click Edit. Make sure the bind to port matches the port you set in FoxyProxy, 8080 in our example. For specific host, enter 127.0.0.1. Click OK. If you see the error failed to start service on 127.0.0.1, don't worry. Check the video link in the description for a quick fix. If there's no error, you're good to go. Close the settings window. Back in Firefox, click the FoxyProxy icon and select Burp. This will route all Firefox traffic through Burp. In Burp, turn on interception by clicking the Intercept button. Now, open Google in Firefox and watch Burp capture the traffic. You'll see the Google request URL appear in Burp, and interception will display the browser traffic.
And that's it. FoxyProxy is now successfully configured for Burp Suite on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.